Imagine that you have a customer X and a customer Y, either from our country or from another country. Customer Y will only be let into our facility if they are US citizens or US persons, which includes green card holders, but also they have to be from the same company. So if they're in customer X, they will be allowed into customer X area. If they're customer Y, they'll go into customer Y area. And if they're a new customer, we will not show them other customers' products.
I remember hearing once that no amount of legal paperwork can make up for trust between two parties. I think that when you look at intellectual property protection inside of NATEL, whether it's NAFTA mandating it and us having to maintain secrets both in the United States and in Mexico, for us it's really more of a moral thing. And we, for 40 years combined across two companies, have demonstrated that the ability to be able to protect our companies and our customers' IP is paramount to anything else.
There's quite a few things that we do that protects our customers' IP. Some of the things we do are as basic as having controlled areas for each customer. So customer X has an area which customer Y cannot go into. We have secret testing rooms no one else can enter. On the production line itself, we will hide the material, the documentation, if there was a visitor. We also don't share information with customers unless it is their own information. We have rules that require us to not email documentation.
My job is to enforce that nobody takes anything from the floor, that everything stays in the company. Plus, we have a policy that we sign when we start working in here that we're not allowed to take nothing out of the company that's against the law. So that will keep the privacy just in the company.
We have a strong moral compass, not necessarily because some law says we have to do it. A lot of people, especially on the defense side, for example, they have kids or grandkids or nieces and nephews that if this information gets out, their lives could be at risk.
Everything's so secretive around here because it's government work. You can only show so much, talk about so much. There's no greater feeling than knowing we're building stuff for the military. It's protecting lives and protecting the American people.